hang it on a door, it's going to stand out. I'm starting this project right here using scrap wood. Well, this is the base of the snowflake, and to give it some interesting details, I'm going to cut these little sections out that I measured and figured out.
Okay, you gonna do now?
Yeah, the beginning is, and then these will go like this. It's gonna be a snowflake. Trying to do this with just hand tools. It can be done by anyone. Little mustache. Little mustache again. There we go. Put together like I'm getting a 45-degree angle, clamping. Nice angle cuts. Clamp it. Make my little cuts. Have a little square here. See how just by getting those angle cuts, it just adds the design to just scrap wood. This backing, I plan on coming in and cutting like this. Or maybe I'll do a curve and then a little cut out here.
Okay.
Again, this is called a miter saw. I bought it at one of our box stores. This. Achoo! Oh my! Oh look!
Oh, you glue that one.
That's glue. Same kind of glue I'm going to use today to glue this together. And what I am using, it is a glue, a spray glue. And I'm only going to spray right here.
You want to do now?
I can,
Okay.
yes. And I could glue in a small plug right here to support this like this. That might give a little bit more strength.
That is for support, right?
Yes. And I'm going to put a little glue here. A bit more on that. What I did was I cut a piece of scrap into a, sort of a triangular, and I measured 3/8 of an inch in, placed this there, aligned it, took a pencil and I drew that, or I drew an outline, and then I took a Forstner bit. This is 3/8. Put it into my drill press and I drilled openings in the plywood. And I drilled a hole. I took the parts that I cut from here, 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 and I super glued them onto boards here, the scraps. I took this piece that I used to cut or to draw around, and I super glued it to the center. This is all just scrap wood that I had laying around.
Everything from scrap. That's amazing.
And this is scrap from here.
Okay.
This is what I used here. I have white that I'm going to paint the snowflake. That's acrylic. That means I can wash the brush out with water. And I'm already thinking that after this paint dries, I'm only going to put one coat on. I have sparkles that I'm going to put on certain portions of this snowflake so that when the light catches it, it will sparkle. It's going to be different. I never know exactly how things are going to turn out until I get done. Good thing we saved some pieces of cardboard. Makes a good painting surface.
Wow. Wow.
I think I am finished. When you put this hanging on a door, it's going to stand out.